Meta shares dropped more than 15% in after-hours trading Wednesday after the company reported third-quarter results. For the 3 months ending September 30th, Facebook's parent company posted revenue of nearly $28 billion. That's down 4% year over year, but it was just slightly over what analysts had predicted for the quarter. The company's earnings per share were around $1.64. That's more than 20 cents below expectations. Daniel Howley joins me now for more. He's the tech editor at Yahoo Finance. Dan, what's going on at Meta? Second straight quarter of revenue decline.
Yeah, second straight quarter of revenue decline, second ever quarter of revenue decline, by the way. So that's even bigger, not just the fact that it's consecutive, but that it's the second time that this ever happened to this company. Really what we're seeing is just a cavalcade of issues that Meta is trying to work its way through. Yeah, it met expectations on revenue with that $27.7 billion. But as you said, it missed on earnings per share. I think one of the big things to look at is the fact that average revenue per user fell year over year. So that means that they're getting less money per user from ads. Ad sale prices also fell year over year. So we're seeing this pullback in the advertising space. We saw that yesterday with Google's announcement, or Alphabet's announcement, that YouTube ad sales had missed expectations by about $700 million. Snap, also relying on digital advertising, they were stung by this pullback as well. But it's not just the overall pullback. It's the fact that Apple made changes to its privacy requirements. And so that's hit Meta particularly hard. And then there's this huge investment that they're making to try to pivot the entire company to the metaverse. So, they spent $10 billion in 2021 alone on this. This past quarter, they saw operating losses in that metaverse segment. It's called Reality Labs, of $3.67 billion. Analysts were expecting $3.9 billion. So they're really losing a ton of cash here. And, the bottom line is we're not sure if this is ever going to pay off.
Dan, outside of the ad space, you also had tech companies that Microsoft lost about 8%. Texas Instruments also saw losses. So is there something more broadly happening in the tech space that's distinct from this question of advertising?
Yeah, absolutely. And, it's interesting just because the tech industry is kind of all lumped together, but there are these disparate issues. There's the advertising problem that's going on. But at the same time, there's companies that are cutting back in general on spending on things like the cloud or on purchases of new computers. So that's where we're seeing a slowdown in growth over at Microsoft and at Google as well for their cloud platform. Amazon's going to announce their results in the coming days, and we're expecting a slowdown there as well in their cloud spending or growth. So that's one of the other issues. And then as far as Texas Instruments, companies like Intel, AMD, NVIDIA, they're getting hit especially hard because people just aren't buying PCs now. Everybody went out and bought them during the pandemic. They usually last anywhere between 3 to 5 years. So people don't need them right now. And so we went from this massive amount of growth in that space to a pullback. I think Gartner said that they saw a 19.5% reduction in the number of PCs shipped in Q2.
And I hear that chip makers are now have a surplus of chips sitting in warehouses and are changing their earnings estimates. Let me ask you about Elon Musk. So he's got till Friday to decide what to do with his purchase of Twitter. And we have some video of something he did today, and you can explain to me what's happening after we see it. For those who have no idea what's going on, Dan?
Yeah, I believe that's the video of him walking in to Twitter's headquarters, and he's kind of, not officially the owner of the company yet. They're expected to close the deal on Friday. And this is after this will they, won't they back and forth that started when Musk had said that he wanted to join the board. He was offered a board seat. He had bought, a rather large stake in the company. Then he said, I'm not going to join the board. I'm actually going to buy the company. Then after he said he was going to buy the company, he said Twitter's not providing enough information. And so there's been this back and forth between the two entities, Musk and Twitter. And so now it looks like they're finally going to go ahead and consummate this deal. And Elon Musk will be the head of Twitter on Friday if everything goes as it's supposed to. But it hasn't so far, so we'll have to see.
And he was carrying a sink and tweeted, "Let that sink in." So that's what's going on there. Dan Alley, thank you for being with us.